Alright everyone, tomorrow is my birthday and I will let in every goal that I am year old. Come in with the shot and here we go. Oh, right away you see reaching out. Woo! That's it, Brian, baby. Uh-oh. Oh, don't lift it out. I had something to say, but now I totally forgot. Totally forgot what I was gonna say today. Ooh, hit me with a nice shot. Huh? Is that going? Oh. I forgot what I was gonna say. Son of a gun! What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? There's something I did this week. Something I was gonna do. I don't remember. Anyway. Oh, nice shot, Kerman. What was I going to say? Oh, there's Alan. Got that rental guy there. Playing white. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, Alan keeps it in. Oh, Alan keeps it in twice. Hey, Woo! White keeping it in. Wow, Alan again. No, no, no. Darn it. I was gonna say something. Anyway, 2-1 for us. Jeans is the other net. I don't know why he's in the other net. Supposed to be on this net. But whatever. You know, it's weird playing on the other side. Because, well, one, there's no defense. And two, like, Yu Ching is crazy. Basically shoots like 100%. Kind of nuts, so. I honestly do try to stop him, but what's the point? You know? What's the point? Makes you move your limbs away and then puts it back and oh dude. So yeah, like basically what's the point? Like, honestly, he like 50 doodles. And sometimes they pass to him as well. So they pass to him to get like a one-timer. It's actually always a one-timer. And I didn't even know they would pass it to him. And then, you know, no one's covering him, and then he scores. So I'm like, wow. It's kind of crazy. I think he scored like 11 goals last game. And I'm pretty sure I only made like 11 saves off him. This is like a crazy scoring percentage. So, I mean, when he doesn't shoot, that means there really is no scoring chance. Because it's basically like, gives it away, right? Anyway, when we play against him, when we play against him on Friday nights, he hardly, well, he scores a little bit, but not like 11 goals on 15 shots or whatever, 14 shots. So, why? Oh, TNT! I think they're just gonna go wide on us like all night. Wide. Did that go in? Oh, it went in. Fuck. Anyway, Ronnie was saying like how Stark is always getting killed. That's not true though. I'm pretty sure the last 2 games, Stark has been up like 8-0, 8-1, whatever. So, anyway. We got a good amount of subs today. What is it? What is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ways, and then this late guy comes to do 5 on 5. So it's pretty good. You don't want to have too many subs. Once it gets to like 6 subs, it's a bit tricky. You know, because the defense pairings are always the same, and with the forward line, one guy sits out, so you get like a kind of a weird rotation. So, anyway, yeah, I'm turning 41 tomorrow, so gonna have like been having like a big party not big party, but like the whole week. Kids are out of camp, so been picking them out every day. What do? We went golfing, mini putt. Oh, my BMX riding, swimming. So that's today's Wednesday. So we only went to 2 days. Oh, today was rock climbing. Thursday I'm gonna go buy an iPad, Costco, and basically gonna return it because probably not gonna keep it. And, oh, there you go. Oh, I didn't score. That was a nice rush, man. Yeah, so anyway, kind of like so much easier to play on this side because like there's no Yu-Ching, right? And then the defense can keep up with the forwards and stuff like that. But there's no defense on white. How many shots we're allowed to take? See? That's a shot for the boy. Like, oh my gosh. So, anyway. Yeah, so there's no Yu-Ching on white. So basically, nobody like super speed or puck handles or whatever. There's another shot by us. And, yeah, so it's easy. Wow, what a pass by Mark. What a better save by Jimmy. That was amazing. I would have let that one go in. Oh, anyways, I went rock climbing at Eglinton and Vic Park, and basically, nice poke, Marky. Basically what happens is, so I thought rock climbing, you know, they got these pebbles or stones on these walls and then climb up, right? And I looked up the, internet pictures and you know, they got like, tons of pebbles and stuff, like tons of stones or whatever. And then, so I'm thinking like, you know, okay, the website goes, here's a waiver form or disclaimer, whatever, let's sign it. I'm like, yeah, okay, you know, you can get injured and stuff, no problem. So, sign it, pay, you're on your way. And then there's admission for kids, like 10 or 11 bucks or whatever, and then there's a harness, $6 rental. So I'm like, oh, okay, harness. So it looks like there's gonna be ropes and stuff. So I thought it was like, you know, free climb. Like, you put a bunch of pebbles and then climb up, right? And then, oh, perfect! And then, so I get there, and it's like, it's this questionnaire, do you know how to belay? I'm like, no, of course not, right? What I thought I assumed was they would have staff and, you know, it's a company, right? Staff and people, and all they do is, you know, customers come in, and basically you get a belay, and then that's it, right? And then there's a box called belay tip. You tip the belay. So it's like, I thought their own staff gets us to climb. But no, that's not how it is. There's nobody there.